My husband and I returned to work on the farm about 8 years ago. So my grandfather bought the farm in 1950 and turned it into the farm it is today. My dad joined in the late 70s, and then during the 80s farming was struggling. The acreage here needed various people to work on it, and it was not economically viable, and we were looking at different options in order to keep ourselves here. And one of the things that arrived was the idea of a campsite. We opened with no great big advertising budget, and from there it's become our life's work. So my brother and I, my sister-in-law, work in the business now as well. The farm sits in Radnorshire, which is on the eastern side of mid Wales. It's a very beautiful area with a lot of traditional small farms and beautiful upland moorlands. It's a funny thing with the amount of work we've put in, because it's not a 9 to 5. It's very much a passion project, and it dictates that you put your heart and soul into it. And I think that's, for us, this is what we're doing, is inviting people onto our land to share it with them. So a lot of groundwork, a lot of customer service work. There's a lot of working with people who are quite stressed or in need of a break, in need of a holiday, and how can we bring a sense of place to this place that they feel that they can let go and relax and really get what they need out of a holiday. Working within a family as well. That's got its own versions of how we work together, brother, sister, parents, and all the friends that we work with. But we've dug lakes, we've put in systems, we've worked the ground, we've tried new things, we've failed and learnt quickly, and what we make from the campsite gets invested back into the land as much as possible. It's needed to do all the fences and work and the team that we need and the machinery and all that side of things. But it's invaluable to us. It's beyond a valuation.